How to change my Metro plan by T-Mobile. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Metro by T-Mobile plan quickly and easily. I'll guide you step by step to change your plan safely. Here's what you need to do. Step 1. Log in to your Metro account. Open the Metro by T-Mobile app or visit metrobytmobile.com on your browser. Sign in with your phone number and password linked to your account. Step 2. Go to Plan Options. Once logged in, tap Change Plan or Plans and Add-ons. You'll see a list of available plans including upgrades, downgrades, and add-on options. Step 3. Compare plans. Review each plan's price, data, and perks carefully. Choose the one that best fits your usage, like more data, unlimited talk or text, or extra hotspot features. Sometimes the cheapest plan isn't best if you use a lot of data. Always check limits first. Step 4. Select your new plan. Tap Select next to the plan you want. Confirm the change, and the system will update your account. Step 5. Confirm payment and activation. If the new plan costs more, enter your payment details if needed. Once confirmed, your plan will update immediately or at the start of the next billing cycle, depending on the option. Step 6. Verify your new plan. Check your account dashboard or app to make sure the new plan is active. Test your service to ensure data, calls, and texts are working as expected. And that's it! Your Metro by T-Mobile plan should now be updated to fit your needs. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick mobile guides.